Hey there, my name's ShadowCloud, and today playing some Battle Block Theater. And I have a special guest today. It's my little cousin Mendy. Mendy, say hi to the microphone, please.
Hi,
Introduce yourself. Just say your name.
Mandy.
That's all I'm gonna say. That's all you're gonna hear. I'm not gonna reveal her age or anything for you freaks. Just saying she's my little cousin. It's gonna be a new thing I'm doing. I'm gonna be playing games with my family. I'm gonna be playing with my cousins, my sister. So it might be fun. So playing Battle Box Theater. Let's go into settings first. See the controllers real quick. You read that? Oh, wait, let me. I'm gonna change it to. Oh, what the hell? And it crashed. We're gonna have to. There we go. Sorry about that. It just crashed. You have to speak louder whenever we're playing, okay?
Okay.
This is kind of quiet. Nope. Go back. There we go. Full screen now. Oh. You saw the controls, right?
Yeah.
Attack, jump, relief, shove. Okay. Oh, we gotta customize our characters here? What the hell? Oh dang it, I wanted to be a Starhead. Oh. Oh, there's different heads. What's that? Oh, I can be Sausage. I can be Sir Sausage. I am Sir Sausage now. Ooh, we can change our colors too. I gotta go something that goes with the sausage. Use that red. No, I'll go with the red. Red sausage. Can you change your? No, we're gonna be red. I don't want to be a sausage. You can change your head. Alright, you ready? Alright, just keep pressing A if you're ready. Oh my god. What are you doing? Oh. Move my mouse down here. Let's go into the story and play a little bit. Insane. We're gonna be playing. We gotta pick the sausage. Sorry about that, guys, but our recording cut off, so just saying. Yeah, I'm the sausage. You were the circle, right?
Yeah.
Alright, just press A until you're ready.
Good evening, boys and girls. Ladies.
Ooh, good evening.
And gentlemen, turn the lights down low and shut your faces as I wrap you in the cozy blanket.
That's
of
mean.
What an ass. He just told us to shut our faces. You shut your face.
Kiss. Or is it? Shh.
Mother's kiss.
Once upon a time, there was a boat. Now, this wasn't just any boat, children. It was a ship full of friends, hundreds of friends, best friends, one and all. A veritable friendship it was. Get it?
Whee!
But it wouldn't be very ladylike of me if I didn't mention the most noteworthy friend on board, Hattie Hattington. Say hi to Hattie. Hattie was like king friend of Friendship Kingdom, best friend to one and all, and the walking definition of handsome gentleman. One fine
What?
morning,
What a
Hattie and
douche.
Pal set out for a new, exciting
Pretty
adventure.
sure he's telling telling
What
the story.
fantastic wonders would they discover this time? Perhaps they'd come across a scary ghost ship. Perhaps they'd find an island made entirely
Ooh,
of candy.
Candy Island.
Meet a band
They ripped
of
off
scary,
Flapjack.
swashbuckling
Adventures of
pirates
Flapjack.
and
They
join
ripped it
forces
off.
to find an island made entirely of candy. Who knew? But it didn't matter. So long as they were together, there were smiles to be had and adventures to be shared. Now today 'twas a day like any other adventure day. Spirits were uncrushingly high. Everyone was singing and dancing and
Dolphins.
having a
The
jolly
dong.
time.
The dong
And
is
suddenly
here.
The ocean was all like surprise, and a huge, massive storm brewed out of nowhere.
Man, the ocean's what an ass. He was just like surprised.
Boy, that was quick. And there was thunder. Boom. And
I
the
think they're
lightning,
gonna die.
Boom. And the wind.
I'm pretty sure they're
boom.
gonna die.
Except
Except for him.
Like that. It was over.
It's the
Is everyone
Titanic.
okay? Said Hattie. I don't know what I'd do if I lost even one of you. Hattie continued. But the eye of the storm is very misleading, children. Never turn your back on it because the ocean was all like psych, and it came back even bigger this time, twice as big.
Psych.
As if Poseidon himself extended his hand in friendship, and they spat in his mouth.
They spat in his mouth.
Oh
That's
my
gross.
God.
He was mad. And the rain came down like a shower of bullets.
Confetti.
And the floorboards were buckling and creaking and breaking, and pieces
How
of
the-
their ship
what?
were raining
How are they
down
doing
like
that without his
sparks of
hand?
broken dreams.
What?
And then Reginald comes upstairs and he's all like, I
They
say,
didn't
gentlemen,
fall.
I do believe we're in quite a spot of bother. And everyone else was like, really? What tipped you off, genius? And then Hattie was all like, hey, be nice.
They're making
Huge
sarcastic.
giant waves thrashed the boats to
This
and
is funny.
fro and to.
Oh my
Carelessly sprinkling
goodness, he
friend
fell.
after friend into the cold,
Everybody's
unforgiving
falling.
abyss of the deep, dark ocean. Everyone was screaming like,
How are all of those there?
Huge whale like, and made it
I don't
super
think they all
scary,
fit.
and I think there was a shark. Yep, there he is. Oh God.
What? That wasn't even a shark.
He was all like, hold on to your butts. Land ho, and bang, 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 smash. A shipwreck.
Also, I came from the
As
dentist and I had
foretold by
screws
their
in my mouth, so my
books
mouth kind of
of
hurts. I'm
fate.
probably gonna be a little bit
While it
quieter
sounds like the end,
than normal.
This is merely the
Or
beginning
I'ma
of
sound
another
like I'm,
fantastic journey for
dying.
the brave crew of the SS Friendship.
Friendship.
What a strange, mysterious island. And what's this? The shore
Ah,
is riddled with
Sir Sausage.
size footprints.
Okay, I'm Sir Sausage.
Welcome to land. How utterly convenient. But where have they gotten to? No.
Okay, you
I
hit
don't.
with.
Do you? I don't. Do you?
Oh.
I don't. You're welcome.
Oh shit.
To battle.
Oh, I killed you. I'm so
Oh.
sorry. I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
Go inside. The door.
Oh, it blows up.
When you anytime.
What y'all want? Who's at the door? Let's go. Oh, I threw you. Help. Remix.
Help.
Alright, so you
It's
do.
now
You
on
do.
iTunes.
You do. Alright, so you do one. Hold it.
It's now in iTunes.
Now on iTunes. Wait, come here, come here. See if I can throw you in there. Oh crap, we're on a timer.
Maybe our friends came in here to take shelter from the rain. That's smart. Jeez, what a gloomy place. Ever heard of spring cleaning?
Oh, I can double jump. Let's go, go, go. It's a cat. Run, sausage, run. Oh, we can double jump. Oh, you stepped on me. Butt face.
Thank you. I'm a really good one.
Oh, I stepped on you, butt face. Ha.
Oh, wait.
Come on. Go faster. Oh, we're on a time limit. Freaking cat's
happy
hiding.
Day. It's Hattie. And look, he's made some wonderful new friends. Ooh, and they got him a present. How thoughtful. Hey, wait a second. I don't
You got
think
my
that
hat.
was a present. Ha! Those guys aren't wonderful new friends, are
I
they?
think
Oh,
they're
they made him
sucking
cry.
his blood.
Keep quiet. They haven't seen you yet. Oh no, they see you. Clench your butt. This isn't gonna be good.
What if I don't want to clench my butt? Oh, he's crying.
Why?
No.
Oh my god!
Yep, that wasn't good. That wasn't good at all.
What does this do?
What is all of this?
What do we do? What is this? Wait, why is there triangles?
I killed myself.
Why are there triangles?
It's all the Illuminati
Wait, what is,
everywhere.
why is this glowing right here?
I don't know. Oh look, there's the square. Oh, let's get the hell out.
All prisoners this way.
Prisoners this way. Run, sausage, run. Is it here?
How do we get up?
Oh, what you gonna hear? Chapter 1.
Why?
You gotta move closer. What was that noise? Betrayed by Hattie. What the hell?
Oh, why?
Time to find some gems. Time to find some gems.
Oh. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, gem.
Everybody in the pool.
Wait, hold up. Oh, I can throw you. Throw you. Alright. Oh no. Oh, run this way, run this way. Yeah. Alright. Alright, press right trigger. This one, this one. This button. I'm gonna double jump over there. You know, get closer, get closer. Ah, yes. Teamwork. Oh, oh,
Oh, what does this do? Ah!
oh. I know what we have to do.
What?
No, 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 come back, come back. Alright, like double jump. No, 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 run back.
Okay.
Watch. Alright, let me step on you. Jump. And now you double jump over here.
Not working.
Oh no, you have to step on it. Get burned so it launches you all the way up.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Teamwork. Oh, no. Okay, okay, I got this, I got this. Go, run at me.
Ow!
Oh, I'm drowning.
No!
Oh, the sausage drowned. Oh, I'm over here with you. Oh, let's go this way, let's go this way. Ooh,
It's
you
teamwork.
got a ball of yarn. Ooh, careful with that. That's supposed to be grass. No, you drowned. Although there's the exit. Oh, let's get the last one. Yeah. We got a ball of yarn. That was some good teamwork, good teamwork, good teamwork. Scene
There's
clear.
still more?
Boom.
You other prisoners could learn a thing.
Ooh, we got an A.
There's that many? Scene 2, okay. Where do we go? Which way? This way?
I'm gonna throw you that way. Or you throw me.
Could have just gone like that.
And now you throw me that way. Or I'll throw you that way. Alright. Up. Yeah, good teamwork. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh.
Hold on. Alright. Oh.
Ow. Oh. Let me try. There.
Oh. Hold on, hold on. There might be something this way. The exit's that way, so we gotta come this way.
Okay.
Nope. Alright, come this way. No, this way. Oh, wait. Alright. Come on, come on. No. Yeah. Poop is out over here. Alright. Alright. Alright, no, no. Oh! And
I
you drowned.
drowned.
Alright, now we can go this way. Now we can go this way. Go, go, go. Avoid the mines, avoid the mines.
Ah! What is
Now, time for Sir Sausage. Oh, I got this. Yeah, we got it. We got two. Oh,
Ow.
hold up. Oh, we're so good at this. Come on, let's get this one.
Yeah, we're so good.
Oh, oh!
Doesn't
I
that
got stabbed right in the sausage. That's really inappropriate.
That's not good.
Come on, come on.
Oh.
Oh, we just killed a cat. We're still gonna get arrested for this.
Yep. I wonder how long. Probably 50 years.
How beautiful.
Oh, we missed 2.
But we still made good teamwork.
No, don't die. We both died.
Dying.
Oh, you freaking cat beating me up. Hold up. Oh, I can almost make it land on him. Kill them. That's easy. Oh, oh, jetpacks. Yeah, I got it.
Can't wait for you up here.
Alright, we got this. No, 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 no.
What did I just suffer?
Oh my god. Our butts are burning. Oh, wait.
How was I do that?
Go, get that one, come back.
Oh.
Come on, help me up. Help me up. Yeah, teamwork.
Oh, yeah.
No! I am Mr. Sausage. Oh, you freaking cat licking me. Don't lick my sausage.
That's just rude.
Yeah, that's
I
weird.
can't get up.
You gotta double jump. You forgot about double jump?
Yes.
Wow.
I suck at
I am a sausage. Come on. Oh, there was something that way. I think we missed one. I think we missed it.
Yep.
A gem or an emerald or whatever. Oh, we got all of them.
Oh, okay. Teamwork worked.
Oh, what the hell?
Okay.
Alright, oh, we cleared the first.
Wait. What? Do you have to open these?
Did we clear all of these? I think we cleared all of them. So
Did
this
we
is
open?
1-1, 1-2, and 1-3.
Gift shop.
Well, let's go in here real quick.
You got the goods.
I ain't got the goods. What goods? What you talking about?
What?
Oh, go over there and press Y.
Why?
Oh, you don't have anything.
No.
Oh, so we can trade stuff. Let's get the hell out of here. Run, sausage. I'm just laughing at my sausage. She looks so sad.
How did you die?
Exploding sausage! Hold Y, hold Y.
I'm very confused. Spend your gems in here.
Go in there, go in there. Go in there, go back, go back, go back, go back. Go into the gift shop.
Here,
I
you
don't like
put
the
it
sound of
here.
that timer. Alright, let's get out now.
Okay, let's go into
Now
that other
let's go
level.
over here and watch.
Where? Come in.
Just
come
hold
on
front.
in.
Exploding sausage! Hold Y, hold Y. Oh, the fart
This is
noises.
inappropriate.
Alright, well, I guess we're gonna have to end it there. It's been some Battle Block Theater with my little cousin Mandy. Say bye, Mandy.
Bye.
Okay, that was a little sassy. You need to chill with that. That was a little too sassy. Alright, so, yeah, that's gonna be it for this gameplay on Battle Block Theater. So, yeah, thank you and have a nice day. You butt! You killed